Hi. A couple weeks ago, my brother was hit and killed by a 18-wheeler. We just don't know what to do. We there's several witnesses that said that this guy ran a red light and hit my brother, but we just don't know where to start. We don't know. Maybe he was texting and driving, or if he was asleep at the wheel, or why he ran this red light. But um, should we just assume that with the witnesses and things like that, that the trucking company is going to take responsibility for this, or do we need to contact an attorney?
Okay, your advice for Angie.
Very sad situation. I'm sorry about your brother, Angie. I would go ahead and talk to a lawyer immediately because in my 25 years of doing this, I've really never seen a trucking company come up to the table voluntarily and pay what a claim is worth. You said that there were some witnesses that talked about texting, driving, things like that. I promise you that the trucking company has already sent what they call a rapid response team out to the scene within an hour to 2 hours, and they've interviewed all the witnesses, they've talked to their driver, they've taken photographs, they've measured the scene, they may have even had an accident reconstruction that's come out already, and they know, or they've got a very good idea already of what happened and what the cause was. And just because they may have determined that it was a preventable wreck and maybe their driver did cause it, does not mean that they're going to come out and tell you that. They're going to fight you tooth and nail. They're going to try and make it be any other cause than your brother or someone else's fault before they want to pay the money. That's why you have to get your own attorney to do your investigation, the family's investigation, to talk to the witnesses, to order the phone records, to get your own experts to figure out what the exact cause was. And then, like my dad used to say, once you put them in that box and you've done all your investigation and they cannot get out of it, then they'll finally pay you what the claim is worth. And that's what I've seen over and over and over again, so I recommend that they go ahead and call a lawyer.